Ano sasabihin si Lynn? Hi, guys!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth.
Sabihin mo na. Very good!
Hi, guys.
Hi! Hi, guys! Welcome back to Teacher Pam's Diary! Hi, everybody! Ayan! Hi, guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So, we're here at Splash Mountain ngayon, Saturday, October 18 with these kiddos and Tita Ina and Mimi and of course, si Lynn. Hi! Say hi, vlog! Hi! Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Ayan, so weekend, ano tayo? Relaxation. Weekend getaway tayo dito sa Splash Mountain. Yon, at ito pong room na to. Pakita ko yung room. So, ito po yung ating room for today's vlog. Yan, we booked this for 4,600 pesos. Meron tayong dalawang single bed and one double bed. And of course, doon, meron tayo dun. Yan. Meron CR and one table here and one TV. Wala silang ref. Yan. So, ngayon, time check kids. Anong oras na? 9:30? Uy, baby. 9:30 na po ng gabi and magsiswimming pa lang po kami. Ngayon, mag-vlog tayo, besh. So, here's the evening view here. Yan, ang ating view. Hallway view. At ngayon, we're ready to swim. It's 10 o'clock in the evening na, pero syempre lulublog tayo kasi sayang ang oras. Ang check-out namin tomorrow ay 12 noon. So, that's for 22 hours. Yung aming check-in dito is for 22 hours. Let's go! So, Enzo is now swimming. Oh, anak! Hi! Night swimming tayo here. Ayun si Enzo. Ayun po sila. Ayun o, nasa cottage sila. Ayan o. Oh, Enzo!
Oh, lipat pa sa kanila. Sa may hangin. Sa may hangin. Sa kanila. Kanina. Oh, nahanap niya ko. Oh, diba? Thank you. Yeah! Sabi, welcome. And something ka na!
Hi guys! So, time check. It's 12 midnight now. And kids are still playing before we go to sleep.
Hello!
Hi vlog! Okay, Sam is here na. Hello! Morning everybody! Hi Enzo! Good morning! So, it's our day 2 today. Ayan, nagbe-break. Morning, Tita Syra! Hello! Ay, doon. Ayan, so nagbe-breakfast lang sila bago mag-swimming. Hello si Sam. And so. Morning, Celine. May toyo si Celine. Celine, look at the vlog ko yung ate. Hi. Morning. Morning. So, susunduin na natin sila Enzo. Punta tayo dun sa pool area. Let's check the area and see. Si Tara, baby. Let's punta tayo. Sam! So, Enzo and Sam, they are swimming now. Right now. Woo! Tingnan natin. Medyo umambon lang. So, medyo maambon po tayo ngayong umaga. Yung ibang area dito ay sarado. Pag peak season lang daw nag-open yung iba nilang mga attractions here. So, ito lang yung side na open. Saka dun sa dulo. Pero hindi ko na natin pupuntahan. Ito na lang. Oopsie! Ayun. Ito yung ibang pool nila. May pool pa doon sa likod. Punta na tayo kina Enzo. So, meron sila ditong 600. Umbrella good for 15. Malaki-laki to. Meron din silang small umbrella na 400 lang. Go!
Diba may gagawin sento?
Wala. Wala na may isda sa ilalim. Meron pa po sila dito isang pool.
Ang pabilis!
Yan, tignan natin. May pool area pa sila dito. Ito, meron silang gazebo na sobrang laki. Sobrang dami nila. 750 benches. Ganyan. Wow! Hoy, don't run! Walk only! So we still have like 1 feet here. Ayos mo, hair mo si Lynn! Pauwi na po kami. Hello! Hi! Pauwi na kami. Saan ka naman magagala? Saan ka gagala? Merienda na si Enzo. Tapos, nag-load na lang tayo ng gamit. So, let's go na. Tagal naman nila bumaba. Ito na sila. Nag-load lang tayo ng gamit. Hi, so we're here at Gilligan's. Gilligan's. Lunchtime. Mami. Say hi. Say hi.
Bago na pa yung kanin ko. Picture ka dito.
Kari-kari na lang.
Lapit na dito sa baguette.